What's the deal, my people? Welcome back. So check this out. I'm gonna show you how to bypass the rev limiter real quick. I'm gonna do it first straight up how it is. That's all she's got, right? Nah. You go over here, slam your foot on the brake, put it in reverse. Wait till the screen pops up. See how it's yellow right there? Go in between the gear. That's how you bypass that rev limiter, baby. Make that boy. Not in any gear. Put it back in the park. Just bypass the rev limiter, baby. Yes, sir. That's how you bypass that 4,000 rev limiter until you get the car tuned. You want to make that boy rev right. You know, he went ahead and added that carbon fiber front splitter. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That different SS badge, you know it don't come with that. Color change the headlights with the halos in them. Don't worry, I'm waiting on the fogs. Carbon fiber tow hitch. Go hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below, let me know you subscribed. I'll get to you ASAP Rocky. You know I had to carry my own SS badge, they didn't give us one. Carbon fiber side mirrors, door handles, gas tank, side skirts. Car dirty as hell again. And I'm waiting on my carbon fiber hot wing. Boy! Check me out in the light. That was just a quick little video showing you how to bypass that rev limiter. Smash the like button, drop some comments down below. You got any questions? I'm out of here. Peace.